Hey guys, welcome to the Comic Cycle Presents Little Chat. And today we have the super talented and superstar of digital world, Barkha Singh with us. Welcome to the show.
Thank you so much.
How are you doing?
I'm very good. Very sleepy, but very good.
Okay.
आप मेरे को बताओ क्या है ये? आप 100 गंदे काम करके ऐसे एक वर्कशॉप जाके अपने कर्मा नहीं क्लियर कर सकते.
We see you travel a lot. तो ऐसी कौन सी जगह जहाँ पे आप अभी तक नहीं गई?
I want to go to Africa very badly, and I really want to go to the Amazon rainforest जो साउथ अमेरिका में आता है.
Okay.
ये दोनों जगह मैं नहीं गई हूँ और मेरे को बहुत जोर से जाना है उधर.
So, okay. So, since you love traveling, so what kind of traveler are you? Like backpacker or, planning, plotting and then
No, I
Okay.
don't like planning.
for anything?
No, I very honestly, at the cost of sounding like a loner, I like traveling alone
Okay.
or max to max with 1 or 2 more people. Bus. I don't like traveling in
groups.
at all. Like, and I don't like doing touristy things. So when I travel, I really look out for cafes because I am a big coffee fan.
Okay, so you go and taste all of them.
Yeah. So the first thing when I go to a place is I try to check out what their coffee culture is, what are the different coffees there, what are the different cafes there. I go sit in cafes, chill in cafes, bring back coffee for my personal collection घर पे. And I like doing basically non-touristy things. जैसे मैं Paris गई थी earlier in 2019, and I think मैं एक बार भी Eiffel Tower नहीं गई.
Oh my
But मैंने
goodness.
सब कुछ और किया.
Others, mostly people go and the first thing they do is
Eiffel Tower.
Yeah.
Exactly. But like also because I've seen it earlier, आप एक ही चीज कितनी बार देखोगे. But I like doing non-touristy things, जो जगह का culture होता है. Try to make more friends
which
with
is
the
not
local
more
people.
commercial.
हाँ, because आप Eiffel Tower तो Google में भी देख लोगे.
Right. So we see you're doing more realistic work.
Yes.
Right. So how do you choose them? Because when you see a web series or YouTube videos, it looks very comfortable, just wearing pajamas.
Yes.
So how different it is from television? You've done television films.
Yes. So I choose to do more realistic projects now. It's because I have done the whole Saas Bahu daily soap this thing. And visually भी दिखता ही है काफी फर्क होता है in terms of the kind of makeup, the kind of scripts, the
It's
kind
more
of
casual, like
yeah,
YouTube
तो
stuff.
Exactly. तो जब मैंने वो किया, and not just YouTube, even like the Netflix film I did, even that was very less, like they preferred lesser makeup and more focusing on character and your acting as opposed to your makeup and costumes में obviously
Of course.
बहुत ज़्यादा focus था. But I don't know, I think I just like the pressure, like when you can just purely focus on acting और जो आपका project होता है, that you sell it on your story, acting, emotions, इसलिए I like
It's a package then
real.
you
And I feel
deliver.
हाँ, और लोग ना relate भी कर पाते हैं. Like अगर आप हमेशा ही heels पहनोगे, real life में तो आप वैसे नहीं होते हो. So
Saas
I'll-
Bahu serials में जो होता
Exactly.
है, sleeping with sarees and jewelries and heavy makeup.
और उनका अलग audience है. Not saying that it's not nice
of
or
course
whatever.
not.
It's great, but उनका अलग audience है. And then after doing that, I felt कि यार I want to tap into audience more my age. क्योंकि I can always come back to Saas Bahu when I grow older, but I'm never going to grow younger.
That's
So जब तक I'm younger, I'd love to interact with people my age, and it's very nice because like even when I go out somewhere or when I'm traveling, people from like they always come up and they're like and the one thing actually what you mentioned also just now, they always say that it's so realistic and it's so believable.
people can relate to it.
And they like it.
Also, from past 2-3 years, ever since digitalization has come, so you see small kids, youngsters, people are making TikTok videos, becoming famous. How do you see that?
I think this is a very tricky question, but I'm all for opportunities. So I think सबको इतनी opportunity मिली है now to show off their talent, to make something of themselves, that very few. So in fact, yesterday I was shooting and the photographer was someone who was a trained psychologist. The makeup artist was someone who's a trained, like who's a
Really?
lawyer. Yeah, she's finished her law course. So my point of saying this is because there's so much digitalization and there's so many options available, everyone can actually follow their passion and like do things. So yes, the other flip side of it is कि ज़्यादा exposure हो जाता है
ये
बच्चों
instant
को.
fame हो रहा है
हाँ.
बच्चों को 10
हाँ.
million 9 मिलियन फॉलोअर्स,
हाँ.
फिर वो म्यूजिक वीडियोस भी कर रहे हैं, और फिर एक तरफ एक्टर्स हैं
हाँ.
जो बेचारे 8-10 साल से they are trying for something.
Correct.
And they're not getting it.
But,
So
हाँ.
that is one of the angle.
But that's a battle यार, मतलब that's a like अगर आपको एक्टर बनना है, आपको एक्टर बनना
बनना
है.
है.
बट ये है कि अगर आप एक बार एक्टर बन गए ना, दैट्स अ लाइफ टाइम थिंग. Whereas these Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, आज है कल नहीं भी हो सकता है. Like we've seen, like पहले के उस टाइम पे, you know, when we were in school and Orkut होता था.
Orkut ही था.
हाँ, Orkut ही था. और Orkut कब आया?
Facebook came.
Exactly. कब आया, कब गया, it
पता
went ना. So like that, all these are just trends. Whereas if you're an actor, तो फिर वो तो मतलब आपकी life long आपकी कला है वो. That is not work.
So you think that is not
That's separate,
long lasting?
हाँ.
It will keep on changing.
Yes.
Something or other will come.
Yeah, my only advice to anyone who's actually, you know, making a living out of this, like even me personally, even though I create content on YouTube, on Instagram, my own personal stuff,
Okay.
I'm still an actor. मैंने वो नहीं छोड़ा है because I know that ये आज
That is
है,
one part of you.
कल नहीं भी हो सकता है, but at least मेरी कला जो मेरा actual actor है that I'm known for, वो तो है मेरे पास. So yeah, this is the only thing that हमेशा never put your eggs in one basket. ये नहीं कि आज like इससे 10 million followers मेरे को हो गए तो मैंने सब कुछ कर लिया life में.
Okay. You started as a child artist.
I did a few ads, yeah, when I was small.
So what has changed in the journey of, you know, people, craft, the way they work?
See, जब मैं छोटी थी ना, when I like child artist, I don't know कह सकते हैं नहीं, because I did only ads. And मैंने एक film की थी मुझसे दोस्ती करोगे, and 2 films actually इस समय, but
I think that was your first film.
yes, yes. But वो सब ऐसे मैं summer vacations में करती थी because my parents were very strict about studying.
Okay.
So they were always like, you know, तुम पहले पढ़ाई खत्म करो फिर ये सब करना. And बहुत कम लोग थे, पहले थोड़ा ज़्यादा simple था, and अभी there's so many people who've come to Bombay to become an actor.
Yeah, every next person. Every next person.
Exactly. तो बहुत ज़्यादा competition बढ़ गया है. So I think it's become more difficult to make a name for yourself.
So you believe in karma.
Oh yes.
So आजकल I have been to places where people are, मतलब उनके कुछ ऐसे courses हैं जहाँ पे you can clear your chakras and karmas. What is that?
यार I'm very old school karma believer.
Like आप जैसा करोगे.
हाँ, I feel like obviously chakra clearance is another thing altogether. But आप 100 गंदे काम करके ऐसे एक workshop जाके अपने कर्मा नहीं clear कर सकते.
So we are in a generation where, you know, people are dating online. They don't know each other. They suddenly meet. They get into a relationship, right? And they, ऐसा भी मैंने सुना है, people start dating on Facebook. They get married.
हाँ.
So मतलब क्या है ये according to you?
आप मेरे को बताओ क्या है ये क्या हो
I'm
रहा
also
है?
very old school.
Even I'm so old.
I am the person who will not even reply to somebody on Facebook. I'm very bad with strangers.
Yeah, I don't understand. In fact, मेरे
This Tinder happened.
हाँ, when I was studying in college, one of my classmates, she's happily married now. She has a child and all. But you know where she met her husband? Orkut.
I thought matrimony.
No, Orkut. So like there are things like this where like people, so like there are some cases there where they're actually very happily married and like it's a very good life. But मेरे को नहीं समझ में आता.
Nowadays, so it's like
Tinder, yeah.
You know, you can track the location and you can find somebody
हाँ.
and go on date.
Yes, Tinder पे.
So how the relationship will last?
I think these apps now they are mostly to just give you that first meeting. कि you know
Of course
क्योंकि
they
आजकल बहुत no in terms of like I understand where it's coming from because बहुत I think as individuals हम बहुत isolated हो गए हैं from
and everybody's I think lonely.
exactly क्योंकि a lot of people in Bombay are coming from different cities on job on work or whatever तो अपने सारा friends family support system वो घर पे छोड़ के आते हैं and as you grow older even you would understand friends बनाना इतना easy नहीं होता जितना school में होता था you know.
But I think friends बनाने की जरूरत नहीं होती, बनते हैं तो बन जाते हैं.
Exactly.
You can't make efforts to make friends.
Exactly. So then when you want to meet new people to date, so
It gets difficult.
yeah, exactly. So maybe that's why these apps are actually a good idea for people, you know.
I think for metro people it's fine because
हाँ.
they don't even talk to their neighbors
Exactly.
and strangers. So
जी, हाँ.
Must
बट
be-
थोड़ा अनसेफ भी हो सकता है. मैंने टिंडर देखा है, देखो.
हाँ.
I'm not gonna deny.
देखा as in
I don't have
just explode.
Yeah, I've never had a Tinder profile.
You don't need, I guess.
Yeah, I don't need. But मैं मतलब because you're curious ना, तो मैंने अपने friends का phone लेके किया swipe left, swipe right and all that I've done. तो it's very एक तो काफी demeaning है कि आप
Okay.
लोगों को ऐसे judge करते
Judge
हो.
करते हो.
Not good, good, not good,
And
good.
they have one liner and caption.
Exactly. But it's also fun.
Really? So now we'll start the fun session of the show, which is called Never Have I Ever.
Yay! I love it. Yeah, let's go.
Never have I ever checked my partner's phone. I also have. I think
थोड़ा तो करना पड़ता है यार.
Never have I ever stolen anything from the hotel I stay.
Toiletries.
So you just like
शैम्पू
purposely take it.
कंडीशनर. हाँ, शैम्पू कंडीशनर जो बाथरूम में होता है.
अच्छा.
But that's meant for you to take only.
I know, but a lot of people they don't like. I don't.
मैंने लिया है. Because like there was this, actually not all hotels. There was this hotel in Paris I was staying in. उसमें उनके शैम्पू और कंडीशनर ना बुल्गरी वगैरह के थे, थोड़े बहुत ही ज्यादा लग्जूरियस थे, तो वो मैंने ले लिया. मतलब 2 बॉटल्स रखी थी छोटी छोटी कमरे में वो. Yes.
Never have I ever got drunk before noon.
We've all been in college, guys.
I don't drink, so I'm quite boring that. Never have I ever dated 2 persons at the same time. Yeah, never. Never.
Never ever. Acha, why were you so surprised then when I said
I
no?
just asked. Because sometimes you know, you are dating somebody else
नहीं.
starts liking you and
हाँ.
you get in a situation where it's like, you know, there are 3 people.
नहीं ऐसा.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ है. Good. Never have I ever misbehaved with my fans.
With misbehave with my fans, never.
But there are like fans, you know, they're really behind you and
No, but
still you don't.
like you can't. As a public figure, you can't misbehave unless they are obviously like encroaching your space or if they harm you in any way. But if fans are actually reaching out for a photo or just to say hi, hello,
So that has never happened.
I've never done it. मतलब मेरा जितना भी खराब mood है, जितना भी है, I've always spoken to my fans nicely.
That's nice. Never have I ever got an offer for casting couch.
Never to my face. Email पे आया था actually मुझे एक. Yeah, imagine the guts. Email भेजा बंदे
you
ने.
can. Like how can somebody?
So I have, but obviously
I'm not
it
into acting,
went
so.
nowhere.
Really?
Email पे कि ये requirement है, ये shoot इधर होगी, compromise required.
Seriously?
हाँ, I was like, did I read this right? ये क्या हुआ अभी मेरे
On a
साथ?
mail?
On a mail. Guts देखो बंदे की.
Never have I ever smooched in public.
No, I actually have a very strict policy of making out on scenes also. So whatever acting work I've done, I never make out on screen. Or at least अभी तक मैंने नहीं किया.
It was lovely knowing you.
Likewise.
And we are very excited for your upcoming project.
Thank you so much.
Thanks for coming.
And thanks for having me. This was a lot of fun. Hi guys, this is Barkha Singh and you're watching me on Let's Chit Chat by Mehreen Khan.